Okay, let's put the doors and windows in. We're gonna start with the door first. Okay, and here is how we attach the hinge. Door is fully open, and we use the bolts M5 with the flat head for the hinges. Okay. Same process on the other side. Okay, so and all what's left is to put in door handles. So when we were making doors, we just put the handle from the one side. So now we have to do the other side. Okay. So this is the loop and the hook to keep the door open. Same as for the window as well. Okay, so all the parts gonna be in the package. So this is door lock. There's a washer, so you can use them for adjusting, and of course make sure your handle is nice and tight. Works perfectly. Same for the window. Nicely tight. Closed. As you can see, these metal trims, they're going to be protecting these doors and windows against the winds and storms. Okay, you can see the side on the hinges, how it looks. Okay, let's open the window if you want to leave it for ventilation. So all we need is just put this hook in, and it's gonna keep the window open even it's a windy day outside. This is the opening for the ventilation. Okay, and you can close it. Okay, so when you will want to open the doors, you will have to open them together with the window, okay, because of the metal strips. So this is for the door to keep it open. Door keeps also window open. So the entrance in the greenhouse is 800 mil wide. So this is how it looks. It's all done perfectly. Okay. And I'll just show you a few things from the inside. So yeah, as you can see, the doors are in. Entrance is nice and wide. So if you walk inside, the greenhouse arrow is one of our most strongest greenhouse, like technical side. It's been standing like on the coastlines and many other places, like, you know, and it's proven it's standing perfectly. It's extremely strong greenhouse. It comes a little bit with a heavier frame than the other tunnel. Okay, and yeah, as you can see, you can do pull-ups if you want in the greenhouse, even if it's not being secured anywhere. So you can put here heavy baskets if you want. If you have your greenhouse going to be longer, so you will have more of these middle arches. So you're going to use these brackets here for the shelving if you want. You can buy galvanized steel shelves on our website, or you just can slide in the timber. So 1 by 7-inch timber or 2 by 7-inch timber will suit perfectly and will fit perfectly in here. So for this greenhouse, usually you get 700 mil wide beds. They are also available on our website. So you can put 2 of them. If it's going to be Arrow 3, then you put 1 meter wide beds in. Or if it's Arrow 3, if you want 3 rows of the beds, you can put 3 rows of the beds of 700 mil wide beds. Okay, so that's basically it. Greenhouse is nice, secured, all done. I hope it helps, and see you in next videos. All right, thank you, and follow us on the Facebook, on Instagram, and on the YouTube. Thank you.